Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Dodge Durango. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on the Bluetooth function on your mobile phone. Next, access the Uconnect system on your vehicle's central touchscreen display. This initial step prepares both your phone and the vehicle for a smooth and successful pairing process, getting you ready for hands-free communication and audio streaming. Now, on your Uconnect screen, select the phone icon. From there, choose the option to pair device or add device. Your Uconnect system will then display a unique pairing code. Simultaneously, a similar code should appear on your phone. Carefully confirm that these two codes match exactly before proceeding. This ensures you are connecting to the correct vehicle and maintains security. With the codes confirmed, allow your phone to search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see Uconnect appear in the list on your phone screen. Select Uconnect to initiate the connection. Your phone might then ask for permission to access your contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full functionality. This finalizes the link, enabling hands-free calls and audio playback. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Uconnect system. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable. Remember, your Durango's Uconnect system can typically store up to 7 paired devices, but only one device can be actively connected and used at any given time. This helps manage multiple users while keeping the system efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.